G'day everyone and welcome to my channel. This one's going to be a nice quick one. This is going to be for the fourth prompt in this December, which is clocks and wings. So we're going to be doing that one. Okay, so that's what we're working on today. I'm a little bit late. I haven't been feeling well and work kind of come to an end. Still holiday. I'm just exhausted and I got some, ate a bit too much cheese, all of those kinds of things. So I'm a little bit behind, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing because I wasn't going to do this on camera because it would have just been painful for you and I to try and you to watch and me to try and do. But what I did is I took a bit of ribbon. Now this ribbon came on my boyfriend's box chocolates that he got from work. And I went, ooh, pretty ribbon. So I took it and I've used it. And what I have done is I have put a number of eyelets through the ribbon. So they're all through there. And I've added some charms to it. Now you'll see that I've got 2 eyelets up here. And I'll show you why in a moment. And then down here I've got 11 is how many I ended up putting there. And on them I've got some different things. So this is some stuff harvested from an old necklace, that I've picked up somewhere. And then just basically it was dangly and shiny. And then we've got a clock, and then we've got a butterfly button, then we've got a key with wings, and then we've got a feather, and then we've got another little butterfly, and on that is another clock. Another little clock. Over here we've got a large metal butterfly, got a little birdie, and we've got a dragonfly. Of course you've got to have a dragonfly, and we've got dreams, because remembering that's the whole kind of inspiration for my journal is all about dreams and all of that. So I've put that together, and what my plan was to, with these ones up here, is that it is going to become either a page keeper or a dangle. It can be either. So what will happen is this can go in here like so, and it's long enough that it will dangle over the side of the journal like that, or parts of it or all of it can be used to keep a page. So it can be put in and become a page keeper as well. So it will fit in there and dangle a little bit, all the little things that we like, basically, to allow a little bit of versatility in it. So I'm just going to take that out and put that to the side. What I've also got is I've got a second eyelet there because I'm going to add some fibres and some extra bits to it. So my scrap partner sent me a whole lot of paper beads. So I've put a pile of them onto some twine, and I'm going to add that to here. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking it in, making sure it's on the right side, and I'm just going to start adding them into this. Okay, so I go in and I make sure it's around the same kind of length, which is what like I said, it's going to allow for some versatility of, you can have a dangle, you can have one that's a bookmark, you can have all of those different things will be available, and you can hopefully utilize it to any which way you want. That's the plan anyway. That was the plan in my mind. Whether it eventuates, who knows, but we can only try, hey. So I've got that one. Right. I might as well just leave that hanging, why not? Alright, so we got that. Then I went and got some fibres from all of my collection of fibre things. And let's see how we go at putting all of these fibres through here. This might get interesting because we've only got a small eyelet. I don't know how many I'm going to get through here, but we're going to try, hey. It might require some help. I can't find my tweezers anywhere. I've lost, when I move rooms, like I cannot find where all my tweezers are. So I'm kind of flying blind. Come on, bring the rest through. Bring it through. Yeah, there we go. Just had to be persistent. Isn't that the word we use? Right. So so we got some fibres there. Now let's see if I can get any more through. I'm going to go off, and I'm probably going to put a few through down here, and I will come back once I've put some fibres in. Okay, so I'm back. I've added some fibres. So I've got some fibres up to the top as we come down. A little bit of gold thread through here. This is a little bit of the eyelash trim that my swap partner gave me and is on the journal. So I've just got bits and pieces of that. I've kept all of the other leftover bits of it, and I will use that in my journal as we continue along. So make more scraps. That's the way we like it. Okay, so we're going to add that in. All right, so add it on in. I think I'm going to actually add it this way. Maybe. We'll see how we go. We'll be able to work it out as we go along. And there we go. So there we've got our spine journal. Oh, yep. The spine journal. Our spine dangle. I'm like, words? Not right. Okay, so we've got our spine dangle there. And then again, it can become, I'm just going to go to a page that's not decorated. And we've got our page keeper if we so wish. Okay, and we don't have to use all of that. We could use just that as our page keeper and keep the rest out as a dangle. So that was the whole idea, is that we could utilize it any which way we want. So we can put whatever bits of threads and fibres to keep our page through, and then have the rest as a dangle. And that is it. So that's a nice quick one for me today. Just kind of showing you what my idea was, and I'll be back for the next one, which I think is like Halloween meets Christmas. I'm Australian, we don't really do Halloween here, so that's going to be interesting. We will see what I come up with for that one. I'm just thinking grungy. That's probably what's going to end up happening. Okay, I'm going to leave it there, and I will see you in the next one. As always, remember, be kind, be strong, be a warrior. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. That would be fantastic. Take care. Bye.